everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at the steps to raise fractions to a new denominator. This is from Chapter 2, Section 2.5, Raising Fractions to Higher Terms. So what we need to do is, in order to raise fractions to higher terms, what we need to look at is our original denominator. And we're going to take the original denominator, divide it into the new denominator, and when we do that, we will then get the quotient, which is actually the common multiple. The next step is to take that common multiple, and you're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by that number, and that will raise your fraction to higher terms. So let's take a look at example 1 here. If we look and we say 48 divided by 8, we know is 6. So 6 is our common multiple. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to multiply 8 times 6, that gives us 48. And then we have 5 times 6, which gives us 30. So our answer here, when we're raising 5/8 to higher terms using 48, the answer is 30/48. If we take a look at number 2 here, what we have is, if we divide 15 by 3, we're going to go ahead and end up with 5. So then again, we multiply our original. 3 times 5 is 15, 2 times 5 is 10, and our answer then is 10/15. Now, just so that you know there is another way of doing it, sometimes when we look at this, people prefer to multiply rather than divide. And you can approach it this way as well. You can say to yourself, 8 times what number gives us 48? We know it's going to be 6. In turn, we know whatever we do to the denominator, we have to do the numerator. So we go ahead and in the numerator in example 1, we multiply by 6, we get 30. We say 3 times what number gives us 15? We know it's 5. 2 times a particular number we need to look at, and this is going to be 2 times 5, which is 10. So we get the answer of 10/15 when we're going ahead and raising the higher terms there. So again, 2 different ways of doing it, but you need to know how to do this process, especially when we start multiplying and dividing by fractions.